Hello, good friends. Today's book is called Lizard in a Blizzard. Lizard is reading his book in the sun. He looks up and grins at his friends. This book's fun. It's all about snow. But what's snow? Do you know? Snow makes us slow. In snow we don't go. I want to see snow, Lizard says with a sigh. I want to make snowflakes float down from the sky. But lizards aren't wizards. Well, I'm going to try. He isn't a wizard, but Lizard is clever. He loves to put all sorts of odd stuff together. The next day he shows them his make snow invention. He flicks up a switch and his friends pay attention. Softly at first, fat white flakes flutter down. How pretty, says Gecko, but soon starts to frown. It's too cold, it's freezing, please make it stop now. Lizard is shivering, I don't know how. The machine freezes up. All at once the storm ends. Hot sun warms them all, melting snow from the friends. For 6 sunny days, Lizard mends his machine. I've made a few changes. It now makes ice cream. What a dream! Fresh ice cream. Yum, yum, cries Iguana. Your ice cream is scrumptious, chocolate chip and banana. We found this for you. Thank you, Gecko, says Lizard. He takes it and shakes it. Hurrah! A warm blizzard. I hope you liked the story, friends. Take care.